Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we need to put the power 3 for the both sides to cancel about the cubic root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 3u squared du equals to 2s ds. Because first derivative of u to the power of 3, we have 3u squared. First derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. Number 9 is about the constant, so you got about 0. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Now, we need to change this one in here, we change by u. S ds we change by 3u squared over 2 du. So number 3 over 2 we put outside. U squared multiplied by u, we have u to the power of 3. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 4 over 4, and we put about c. Number 2 and number 4, we have number 8. About u, that is about this one. So we put this one going here, and we have the final answer. Question number 2. We know that s to the power of 3, that is about s squared multiplied by s. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Now we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and we have 1 minus 2s squared. Because we have s squared in here, so I will put number 1 go to the left, and we divide both sides by negative number 2. Now, we need to do first the derivative of this one in here. So we have 2u du equal to negative 4s ds. First derivative of u squared, we have 2u. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s, negative number 2 with number 2, you got about negative number 4. Number 1, that's about the constant, so you got about 0. Because we don't have negative number 4 in here, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 4. So the square root we change by u. S squared we change by this one. S ds we change by this one. So we need to simplify u and u, we cancel. Negative number 2, negative number 2, we have positive number 4. And now I will put number 4 go outside. And now we have the final answer. The integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. The integration of number 1, we have u. And now we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.